1. Who found a real book? Answer, Tommy. 2. Who wrote in the diary? Answer, Margie. 3. What did Tommy find? Answer, book. 4. What kind of book was it? Answer, old. Where were stories printed in olden days? Answer, paper. What color were the pages? Answer, yellow. How were the pages? Answer, crinkly. Where did words move in the future? Answer, screen. 9. What did Tommy call the book? Answer, waste. 10. What contained millions of books? Answer, screen. Answer, 11. 12. How old was Tommy? Answer, 13. Where did Tommy find the book? Answer, attic. What was the book about? Answer, school. What did Margie hate? Answer, school. Which subject troubled Margie? Answer, geography. Who was called to repair the teacher? Answer, inspector. What kind of inspector was he? Answer, county. What did the inspector give Margie? Answer, apple. What did the inspector repair? Answer, teacher. What kind of teacher did Margie have? Answer, mechanical. 22. What color was the teacher? Answer, black. 23. What did Margie hate most? Answer, slot. 24. What did she put into the slot? Answer, homework. 25. In what code did she write? Answer, punch. What did the machine calculate? Answer, marks. 27. Which sector was geared too quickly? Answer, geography. 28. To what level was it adjusted? Answer, 10-year. 29. Whose fault was it not? Answer, Margie's. Which sector had blanked out in Tommy's teacher? Answer, history. 31. What did Tommy call the old schools? Answer, centuries. What kind of eyes did Tommy have? Answer, superior. Who taught in old schools? Answer, man. What did teachers give students? Answer, homework. What did teachers ask? Answer, questions. Where did the teachers not live? Answer, house. Where did children go to study? Answer, school. What kind of building was it? Answer, special. Who learned together? Answer, children. What should be adjusted to each child? Answer, teacher. Answer, mother. 42. Where was Margie's schoolroom? Answer, bedroom. 43. On which day was there no school? Answer, Saturday. 44. On which other day was there no school? Answer, Sunday. 45. What lesson was displayed on the screen? Answer, arithmetic. 46. What was the lesson about? Answer, fractions. 47. What did Margie do with a sigh? Answer, inserted. 48. What did children do in the schoolyard? Answer, laughing. 49. What else did they do in the schoolyard? Answer, shouting. 50. Where did they sit together? Answer, schoolroom. 51. What could they help one another with? Answer, homework. Who were the teachers in old schools? Answer, people. What was Margie thinking about? Answer, fun. What did children have in the old days? Answer, fun. Who is the author of the story? Answer, Asimov. What is the name of the girl in the story? Answer, Margie. What is the name of the boy in the story? Answer, Tommy. In which year is the story set? Answer, 2157. What kind of story is it? Answer, science fiction. What type of books did children read in the future? Answer, telebooks. What did Tommy tuck beneath his arm? Answer, book. 62. What did Tommy do while walking away? Answer, whistling. 63. What did Margie imagine about old schools? Answer, happiness. 64. What feeling does the title express? Answer, enjoyment.